is a wild, what was it called?
What did you call it?
Wild West guitar. And, I'm teaching my baby brother how to use it.
What do you think, Noxie? Oh, that gets some sweet music, man. Good job. What technique is that?
This one?
Yeah.
The one that they mostly need a pick for.
Oh, they need a pick for. Well, we can find you a pick. You know he's got a bunch, right?
I didn't need a pick for it.
Oh. But that's kind of what you're using your hand instead of it. Knox, are you trying to play now? Come on and crawl. Come on, buddy. Come on and crawl. Get your brother. Go ahead. Come on. Are you going to crawl? There you go. Keep going. Keep moving. And that's our strange little sheep noise we're making these days. Good job.
You want tool? I'll put this around you. Oh my gosh. How about I'll put this right here and you can play. No.
Okay, be careful with his little fingers. There, I think he's got it. Now let him do it on his own.
Oh.
Back to chewing on it. All right, good job, Craig.